Greetings to you all. தமிழ்நாடு பள்ளி கல்வித்துறை ஊஞ்சல், தேன்சிட்டு, கனவாசிரியர், மாத இதழ்கள், ஆசிரியர் மற்றும் சிறார் இதழுக்கான படைப்புகள். First, let us see the magazine delivery tracking. The following 3 magazines are delivered to government schools, and this module is newly added in TNSED School App to track the record the magazine delivery for every school. Magazine delivery tracking for class teachers. Pudu Unjal for classes 4th and 5th, all primary, middle, high school and higher secondary schools with grade 4th and 5th. Tenchitte for classes 6th to 9th standard for all the middle schools, high schools and higher secondary schools with grade 6th to 9th standard. And magazine delivery tracking for HMs. Kanavasriyar for teachers for all government schools, primary schools, middle schools and high schools and higher secondary schools. Now let's see some do's and don'ts regarding submission of drawings. Do's, if you see, draw only in plain sheet of paper. Second point, draw attractive pictures. 3, take photo using good app. Next, write the student name, class, section, school name and district name. We'll take
very good job. அறிவு இருந்தது, அறிவிலிருந்து தண்ணி வந்தது, மான் வந்து தண்ணி குடித்தது. அப்புறம் ஒரு புலிய பார்த்தது மானுக்கு ரொம்ப உருவியது, மான் பயந்தது. பார்த்த உடனே